Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray and I'm just going to take a few minutes to show you how to install the Fullerton Markets Currency Strength Dashboard. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is log into your Fullerton suite, and then you scroll down to Education and Tools. Then you find the folder MT4 EAs. Open that folder. Download the currency strength indicator. Pretty simple, eh? Okay. Now I've already downloaded it, so I won't save the file, but save it where you can find it. I just save it to the desktop. That's easiest. So I cancel that. And then once you've done that, you need to go to your MT4 program, which is right here. And you can see I've got the Fullerton Markets Currency Strength Dashboard open and working, and this is what it looks like here, right there. Okay, but how do you get it to that point? Okay, well, you've got to go to your desktop first of all. Let's get rid of all of this and get rid of that, and we'll go over to our desktop where I downloaded the file. There it is. Okay, and now I'm just going to right click and open with File Explorer, and you've got some files in here. There's an installation guide if you want to read that, okay, but there's 3 files that you need to install, okay, into MT4, and we'll do the first one, which is the indicator file itself, and it's called where's that? It's an ex4 file, that one right there, Fullerton dashboard.ex4. So I just hit Control C and copy that, and then I go back to my MT4 and I go to File, Open Data Folder, and MQL4, double click, and Indicators, double click, and then I Control C, and it will copy that file in here, and I've already got it. I'll go ahead and do that. Control V, sorry, too. I don't want to replace the file. Okay, it's already got that one in there. So we go down here and we can see it. I've actually, I don't know how I did that, but I installed it twice. Okay, never mind. So we get rid of that, and then we go back to our thing that where we download the folder, the original folder, and the second file that we need to install is called dash%.tpl. That's the template file. So we go Control C, and then we go back to MetaTrader 4 file, open data folder, and double click MQL4, and what did I say? Templates. No, I go back one. Went too far. Templates is right here. Don't double click MQL4. Double click templates, and I should already have that percent file in there. Let me try Control V, and yes, I've already downloaded that one, installed it. Okay, so you put the templates file in the templates folder on MT4. Then you go back to your folder, and the third file that you need to install is percent dashboard SET. So I do Control C, go back to MT4 file, open data folder, and that one is double click MQL4 and go down to presets, and I've already installed that percent dashboard SET file. Okay, so that's the 3 files you need to install, and that's it, job done. Okay, so I'll get rid of these and get rid of that one, and that's what you end up with. How do you, now that you've got it all installed, you need to go, of course, to the navigator window, go up here to the indicators, right click, click refresh, okay, and then you can go down and you'll find Fullerton dashboard somewhere. Okay, then you just drag and drop that over there. Okay, and that window will pop up. Okay, when that window pops up, that's where you can make all the settings. You can just click OK if you want the first time, and then that will have the currency strength dashboard on your screen. I seem to have lost it now. Where am I? Yeah, I've got so many currency pairs open. And what you need to do, you need to put it in a chart window. Put it in a chart window, a chart that you don't use. So you can see I'm in the Euro Swiss kroner, Swedish kroner, Euro Swedish kroner. I never trade that. You can put it in the Euro Turkish lira, whatever you want, so that you don't have a currency pair that you're actually trading. So you just put it in just open that currency. Let's say I'll just do one for you here. Let's go down and find something like the US dollar South African rand and open chart window. And of course that's going to be the US dollar South African rand until I grab this Fullerton Markets dashboard, bring that over there, and then that gets rid of the, well, it's supposed to have gotten rid of the currency pairs, but you can easily get rid of the candles just by going to properties and get rid of the color background and everything. I think everybody knows how to do that. You can make a blank chart. Now you see this looks very different, the default, from the one that I've actually got installed here, because I went in and in the settings you can change, you can edit the font size, you can edit the colors. I don't know why you'd want to edit the colors, but I changed the font size and the arrow size, so make it bigger, something I can see. And I also got rid of, I don't want to show the M5 or the M1 or the H4 or D1 or above. So you just, if you don't want those, you click on true or false, whichever. False means you don't want it, okay? True means I want it to show. And then this is what you've got. And over here is the changes that we've been seeing since the day opening. The euro odd has gone up 29.6 pips. Okay? And on the other side you have trending currency pairs on the M15, M30, H1, because that's the time frames I choose to show. And then you have also ranging currency pairs. M15, M30, H1. So just install it and play around with the settings, adjust it, and see how you like it. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, just give me a comment and I'll see if I can help you out. Okay? Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.